I'm sure you must be getting some pocket money. Let us assume you get rupees 1000 as your pocket money for 1 week. And you have decided to go out for lunch with your friends. Let's also suppose that the cost of lunch is rupees 300. And if you decide to spend whole of your pocket money to have lunch with your friends, then you can go 3 times in a week to enjoy lunch. But suppose the price of lunch increases to 400. Now you can go only 2 times in a week because your pocket money does not allow to have lunch thrice in a week. You can go for 3 times in a week only when your pocket money is increased. It shows your pocket money is a budget. Going out 3 times is the constraint, is the budget line. You cannot go more than that if the price is given. If price rises, budget changes. There is a shift in the budget line. It is relevant to understand the budget line and its shifts because it affects the choices, demand, and so many other such aspects. So let's understand more about shifts in the budget line. Let's get started. Hello everyone. Welcome to our Eco Studies channel. I am Poonam Vohra, your instructor from Microeconomics Economics Learning Center, bringing 28 years of dedicated CBSE teaching experience. We are releasing our series for all the 4 subjects to give you an insight about the courses offered at our website that will enable you to prepare well for your CBSE and CUET examinations. Before we jump into the concepts, if you haven't hit the subscribe button, ring the notification bell so that you do not miss out on any of our valuable free videos. If you like the content, do not forget to give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Follow us on our Instagram and Facebook page. Now let's begin. Now let us understand the reasons for shift in the budget line and its implication. The budget line is constructed on the basis of consumer's income, price of commodity X and price of commodity Y. If there is change in any of these determinants, the budget line also changes. We have understood that budget line is downward sloping with the given consumer's income and price of the 2 goods. There may be a possibility that consumer's income rises, but prices of both the goods remain constant. Or there may be constant income of the consumer, but fall in the prices of both the goods. In either of the situations, there would be rise in the ability to pay of the consumer and he can afford to buy more of both goods. Or there could be fall in the income of the consumer with constant prices of both the goods, or income of the consumer remains constant but prices of both the goods rise. So in either of these cases, there will be then fall in the ability to pay. Both the situations will have some impact. Let's continue further to understand. Budget line TM shows that consumer can purchase OM, quantity of good X, and OT, quantity of good Y, when there is no change in income or prices. Now suppose income of the consumer falls. but prices of both goods remain same, or prices of both the goods rises but income remains same. In either of the two cases, there would be less of both the goods purchased. The purchase of good X gets reduced by mg and that of good Y by th, implying that the budget line shifts towards its left. But if there is a rise in the consumer's income and prices of both goods remain constant, or income of the consumer remains same and prices of both the goods fall, in these cases there would be an increase in the purchase of both the goods, implying that the budget line will shift towards its right. Increase in good X is from M to N, and increase in purchase of good Y is from T to R. To learn more, visit our website and enroll in our courses to master the concepts in economics. You will find more than 300 lecture videos aligned with the latest recommendations of CBSE curriculum. And with our current introductory offer, you can enroll in each of the course for just rupees 999. So seize the opportunity and join before the introductory offer expires and score high grades in CBSE examination as well as in CUET entrance examination. Like, share and subscribe to Eco Studies channel. Also drop a comment. See you in the next session for another concept. Thank you.